Sairam, dear children. Today I am teaching the three fishes for class 2 English part 4 chapter 15. In part 3 I have explained to you about the three fishes, how they had escaped. Clever escaped from his cleverness. Lazy also had a very narrow escape, but stupid lost his life. Okay, so now we'll do part 4 exercise part. Okay, children. So first main we have circled the correct option. First question, 3 fishes or frogs lived in the lake. So you have to circle the answers here. We'll do it. What is the correct answer? It is 3 fishes lived in the lake. Okay, children. So second question, in the village there lived some robbers or fishermen. So the correct answer is yes, correct. That is fishermen. Good, children. Okay. So now we'll move to third question. Clever or lazy heard their talking. So what is the correct answer? Yes, it is clever. Clever heard their talking. The fishermen were talking, no? So who heard that? That is clever. Okay. So fourth question, lazy and stupid agreed or did not agree with him. So the answer is did not agree. Lazy and stupid did not agree with clever. Whatever clever said, no, let us leave this lake and move on to other place, but they both did not listen to it. Okay. So the fifth question is, stupid, clever went away to another place. Or stupid or clever? What is the answer? It is clever. Okay, children. So we have second main, take the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. So I'll read out the sentences. You have to say whether it is correct or wrong, children. Okay. So the lake was near a village. Is this correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. The lake was near a village. Okay. Second question. 3 fishes were close friends. As I told you, fishes means 3 different fishes. Okay. Varieties of fishes. Other than that, singular and plural form of fish is fish itself. Okay. So here we are going to 3 variety of fishes. So the 3 fishes were close friend. Is that correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. Okay. So now third sentence. Some fishermen were passing along the lake. Is this correct or wrong? Yes, it is also correct. Some fishermen were passing along the lake. Fourth question. Lazy and stupid did not agree with clever. Is this correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. Okay. So the fifth question, clever did not leave the lake. Is this correct or wrong? You should know the answer, children. Yes, that is wrong. Clever went away to another place. Okay, that is true. This is false. So the sixth question is, fisherman thought Stupid was dead and threw him along the side of the lake. Is this true or false? We'll see. So let us see, children. Is this true or false? Yes, it is false, because fisherman thought Lazy was dead and threw him along the side of the lake. Okay. So we'll come to end of this part, that is summary. We had learnt about three fishes story, where the characters are clever, lazy and stupid, and also the fishermen. Okay. So we have question section. So here, friends, we have to leave this lake. This is the sentence. Here you have to tell who said these words, to whom these were said, and why did he say so. You have to answer the following. Okay. And here you have to rearrange, unscramble the letters to form a word. This is related to this lesson itself. Okay. Okay, children, this is the exercise part. You have to write down all the questions, find out the answers and write down. Okay. Keep practicing. Thank you.